Today's house we love is in the region of Puglia, and it's on the market for just €34,000. This is a typical Puglian home with a star vault ceiling in the main living space, an eat-in kitchen, one bedroom on the upper level, a small courtyard and an exclusive roof terrace, with views of the village and surrounding area. There is also a basement cave cellar which will need a thorough cleaning. The entire interior, especially the bedroom, will need some sprucing up, but it's in overall good habitable condition. There is also no heating, which is not uncommon for homes like this in southern Italy in this price range. Located in the heart of the village of Castiglione, about an hour from Brindisi Airport, it's also in a wonderful geographic position, just 10 to 30 minutes from both the Adriatic and Ionian seas. This home would make a wonderful winter getaway, or summer home for a single person or a small family. The area is full of fabulous beaches, lovely historic towns, and tranquil countryside. Please find a link to the realtor's original listing in the video notes below, and feel free to contact them directly with any questions if you'd like to move forward on this property. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more homes like this every week, please check out the info in the video notes.